Welcome to the soul growth. Capricorn, ruled by Saturn and symbolized by the sea goat, is often associated with discipline, determination, and a natural ability to climb to success against the odds. For those born under this sign, or those who simply resonate with Capricorn's energy, the idea of lucky numbers isn't just about chance. It's about aligning with a deeper sense of purpose and using symbolic numbers as keys to unlock doors to wealth and abundance. In this detailed guide, we'll explore 6 numbers believed to be particularly auspicious for Capricorns, along with strategies to harness their energy. 1. The Capricorn energy, ambition and resilience. Understanding the Capricorn identity. Capricorns are known for their hardworking nature and strategic mindset. They have a natural affinity for structure and order, which often translates into a meticulous approach to financial success. When discussing wealth creation, it's not just about luck. It's about persistent effort, long-term planning, and the willingness to overcome challenges. Capricorns understand that true wealth requires building strong foundations, much like the steady, methodical steps needed to ascend a mountain. The role of astrology in personal growth. Astrology offers a symbolic language through which many find meaning in life's events. For Capricorns, the alignment of planets and stars, and even the vibrational energy of certain numbers can serve as reminders to stay focused on personal goals. Whether or not one believes in the literal influence of the cosmos, the practice of aligning oneself with positive symbols can help maintain motivation and encourage a proactive approach to success. 2. The significance of numbers in astrology. Numerology, more than just digits. In the realm of numerology, numbers carry vibrational energy that can affect various aspects of life. Each digit is thought to resonate with a particular frequency, influencing everything from personality traits to financial fortune. For Capricorns, whose practical nature values measurable progress, numerology can offer an additional layer of insight into decision-making and wealth creation. The intersection of astrology and numerology. Capricorn's ruling planet, Saturn, is associated with lessons of patience and persistence. When combined with numerological insights, it becomes clear that success is achieved not through fleeting opportunities but through sustained effort. Lucky numbers, then, become a symbolic tool, a way to remind Capricorns of their inherent strengths and to nudge them toward actions that reflect their long-term goals. 3. The 6 lucky numbers. For Capricorn below, we detail 6 numbers that many astrologers consider lucky for Capricorns. While interpretations may vary, these numbers are often cited as resonating with the Capricorn energy of discipline and achievement. Number 1. The power of beginnings. Why it's lucky. The number 1 symbolizes leadership, initiative, and new beginnings. For Capricorns, it represents the first step toward any new project or financial venture. Embracing the energy of 1 means taking charge of your destiny and setting the stage for future success. Daily affirmation: begin your day by focusing on personal leadership. Visual reminder: place a symbolic representation of 1, such as a small sculpture or image, in your workspace. Action step: start 1 new project this month that aligns with your long-term financial goals. Number 2. The power of partnership and balance. Why it's lucky. Number 2 represents balance, cooperation, and the power of partnerships. Wealth is not only about individual effort, but also about collaboration and harmony. For Capricorns, this number can signal the importance of networking and strategic alliances. Collaboration: seek out mentors or business partners who complement your skills. Mindfulness: practice balancing work and personal life to maintain overall well-being. Reflection: meditate on the importance of give and take in all relationships. Number 3. Creativity and expansion. Why it's lucky. The number 3 resonates with creativity, communication, and growth. While Capricorns are naturally cautious, incorporating the energy of 3 encourages innovative thinking and the willingness to embrace new ideas that can lead to financial breakthroughs. Brainstorming: allocate time each week for creative problem solving. Networking. Engage in social or professional events where you can share ideas. Expression. Use creative outlets, such as writing, art, or music, to express and refine your visions for success. Number 4. Stability and structure. Why it's lucky. Capricorns are the sign most associated with stability, and the number 4 epitomizes structure, reliability, and hard work. It underscores the importance of laying a strong foundation in any financial endeavor. Planning. Develop detailed, step-by-step plans for your financial goals. Consistency. Embrace routines that promote productivity and organization. Grounding. Take time to review your progress and adjust your plans to maintain balance. Number 5. Change and adaptability. Why it's lucky. Number 5 symbolizes change, versatility, and progress. For Capricorns, this number is a reminder that while stability is key, the ability to adapt to change is crucial for long-term success. Embracing the energy of 5 can help you navigate unexpected opportunities or challenges with agility. Flexibility. Incorporate strategies that allow you to pivot when necessary. Innovation. Look for new trends or emerging markets that align with your skills. Celebration. Acknowledge each small win as a stepping stone toward larger success. Number 6. Harmony and service. Why it's lucky. The number 6 resonates with harmony, nurturing, and service to others. In the pursuit of wealth, it's important to remember that true abundance also includes the well-being of those around you. For Capricorns, incorporating the energy of 6 can promote a balanced approach to success that benefits both personal ambitions and community well-being. Community engagement. Volunteer or mentor others in your field. Holistic approach. Ensure that your financial decisions also contribute to your overall quality of life. Reflection. Use the energy of 6 to cultivate compassion and empathy in your leadership style. 4. Integrating lucky numbers into your wealth-building strategy. Setting clear financial goals. Before you can harness the energy of these numbers, it's important to define what wealth means to you. Wealth isn't solely about money. It's about achieving balance, security, and the freedom to live life on your terms. Establish concrete, measurable goals that align with your personal values, whether that's building a robust savings portfolio, starting a business, or investing in personal development. Rituals and practices to enhance abundance. Many Capricorns find that combining practical strategies with symbolic rituals can be incredibly empowering. Here are some ways to integrate these lucky numbers into your daily life. Visualization. Spend a few minutes each morning visualizing your success. Imagine the number 1 guiding your first steps, the number 2 fostering harmonious partnerships, and so on. Affirmations. Create personalized affirmations that incorporate each lucky number. For example, I am a natural leader, ready to embrace new beginnings for the energy of 1. Or, I attract balanced, mutually beneficial relationships for the energy of 2. Journaling. Keep a daily journal where you reflect on how each number's energy has influenced your decisions and progress. Over time, you might notice patterns or insights that help refine your strategy. Numerological meditation. Focus on each number in a meditative practice. For instance, dedicate 5 minutes to each number. Reflect on its meaning, visualize its energy, and ask for guidance in aligning your actions with its vibration. Incorporating numbers in financial planning. Your financial plans can also be a canvas for these numerical energies. Here's how. Budgeting. Consider assigning significance to each phase of your budget planning. The number 4, for example, can inspire you to establish a stable monthly budget with clear, structured allocations. Investing. When researching investments, look for opportunities that resonate with the dynamic energy of the number 5. Diversification in your portfolio could mirror the adaptive qualities of this number. Goal setting. Use the energy of the number 3 to brainstorm multiple pathways to wealth. Evaluate creative ventures or side projects that might seem unconventional, but hold potential for exponential growth. Networking. The number 2 reminds you of the power of partnerships. Use this insight to nurture relationships that could lead to collaborative opportunities or mentorships, both of which are invaluable for long-term success. 5. real-life examples of Capricorn success. The role of hard work and perseverance. Many successful entrepreneurs and leaders who identify with Capricorn attributes have built their wealth through disciplined planning and relentless effort. Their stories often illustrate that while the lucky numbers might serve as symbolic guides, the true keys to success lie in consistent, focused work and the willingness to learn from setbacks. Case study: a Capricorn entrepreneur. Imagine a Capricorn entrepreneur who starts a small business. Inspired by the energy of the number 1, they take the initiative to launch their venture, overcoming the fear of failure. The stability of number 4 guides them as they build a solid business plan and manage finances prudently. Over time, they embrace the innovative energy of number 3 by exploring new markets and creative solutions. Their willingness to adapt, echoing the vibrancy of number 5, allows them to pivot during challenging economic climates. Finally, by fostering strong, supportive relationships, the energy of number 2, and maintaining a service-oriented mindset, the energy of number 6, this entrepreneur not only builds wealth, but also creates a legacy of impact in their community, balancing intuition and practicality. The stories of many Capricorns reveal that intuition and practicality need not be at odds. While the lucky numbers provide a symbolic language that speaks to intuition and personal belief, their power is best harnessed when combined with practical steps like planning, budgeting, and continuous learning. It's this blend of heart and mind that often defines the most successful pathways to wealth. 6. Cultivating an abundance mindset. Shifting from scarcity to abundance. For many, the journey to wealth is as much about mindset as it is about financial strategy. Capricorns, with their methodical approach, can sometimes focus excessively on limitations and risks. Embracing the energy of these lucky numbers is a reminder to shift perspective. Rather than dwelling on scarcity, focus on the abundance that surrounds you. Celebrate small wins, learn from setbacks, and keep your eyes on the long-term vision of prosperity. Daily practices for an abundance mindset morning routine. Begin each day by reciting affirmations that align with your financial goals. Let the energy of numbers 1 through 6 remind you of your strengths and potential. Gratitude journaling. Keep a gratitude journal that records daily moments of success or abundance. This practice not only builds positive energy, but also reinforces the belief that wealth is a natural state. Mindful reflection. Set aside time for meditation or quiet reflection. Use this time to align your energy with the vibrations of your lucky numbers, visualizing the wealth and opportunities they symbolize. Continuous learning. Invest in your personal and professional growth. Whether through reading, taking courses, or seeking mentorship, the pursuit of knowledge can transform symbolic insights into real-world success. 7. Overcoming challenges with Capricorn grit. Recognizing obstacles as opportunities. Every journey to wealth includes setbacks. For Capricorns, challenges are seen as opportunities for growth. The structured energy of number 4, for instance, teaches that every setback can be transformed into a lesson in resilience and strategy. Meanwhile, the adaptive qualities of number 5 remind you that change is inevitable and that flexibility can turn obstacles into stepping stones toward your goals. Strategies for navigating financial turbulence. Reframe setbacks. When faced with financial challenges, take time to analyze the situation objectively. Identify the lessons learned and create a revised plan that incorporates those insights. Seek guidance. Lean on trusted advisors or mentors. Often, a fresh perspective can illuminate alternative pathways that you may have overlooked. Stay grounded. Use mindfulness techniques to stay centered during periods of uncertainty. Deep breathing, meditation, and even a walk in nature can help restore clarity and calm. Celebrate resilience. Recognize and honor your ability to overcome difficulties. Each time you navigate a challenge, you reinforce the belief that you are capable of achieving wealth through persistence and thoughtful strategy. 8. The broader implications of wealth and prosperity beyond the monetary, a holistic view of wealth. While the focus here is on financial prosperity, it's important to recognize that true wealth is multifaceted. For Capricorns, success often encompasses personal growth, strong relationships, and a balanced lifestyle. The lucky numbers, while particularly symbolic for financial gains, can also serve as reminders to nurture all aspects of life. A well-rounded approach to wealth means considering emotional, physical, and spiritual well-being alongside monetary success. The legacy of a wealth-building Capricorn. Think of wealth as the legacy you build, not just in your bank account, but in the lives you touch and the communities you uplift. Capricorns, with their strong sense of duty and responsibility, often find that their most significant achievements are those that improve not only their own lives, but also the lives of others. The energy of number 6 in particular speaks to the importance of service and harmony, reminding you that prosperity is most fulfilling when it is shared. 9. Embracing the future with confidence. Staying open to new opportunities. The cosmic energies represented by these 6 numbers remind you that the journey to wealth is ongoing. There will always be new opportunities, emerging markets, and innovative ideas waiting to be discovered. The key is to remain vigilant, flexible, and ever curious about the world around you. Trust in the guidance of your lucky numbers, but also trust in your ability to seize the moment and create your destiny. A call to action for every Capricorn. If you've ever felt a spark of curiosity when you heard these numbers mentioned in an astrological context, now is the time to take action. Whether you're setting new financial goals, launching a business venture, or simply seeking to improve your daily habits, let these numbers be a beacon of inspiration. Write down your goals, align them with the energy of each number, and take deliberate steps each day toward manifesting your vision of wealth. 10th, practical exercises to manifest wealth. Exercise 1, the daily number ritual. Morning meditation. Each morning, sit quietly for 5 minutes. Visualize each of the 6 lucky numbers in your mind's eye. Affirmations. Create a short affirmation for each number. For example, I am the leader of my destiny, for number 1. Or I attract balanced and prosperous partnerships, for number 2. Visualization board. Create a vision board that incorporates imagery and symbols associated with each number. Place this board somewhere you'll see it daily to remind you of your intentions. Exercise 2, wealth mapping set. Clear goals, write down your top financial goals. Be specific about what you want to achieve, whether it's a certain savings amount, investment returns, or business milestones. Align with numbers. Next to each goal, assign 1 or more of the lucky numbers that best reflect the energy needed to achieve it. Action plan. Develop a step-by-step action plan for each goal. Review and adjust this plan regularly, using the energy of your lucky numbers as touchstones for progress. Exercise 3, reflective journaling daily journal. Maintain a daily journal where you record moments of inspiration, success, and lessons learned. Symbolic insights. Whenever you encounter a challenge, note which of the lucky numbers' energies might offer guidance. Long-term reflection. At the end of each month, review your journal entries. Identify recurring themes and adjust your strategies accordingly. The journey to wealth is deeply personal and inherently multidimensional. For Capricorns, the combination of hard work, determination, and the subtle guidance of symbolic energies like lucky numbers can create a powerful alchemy for success. These 6 numbers, each representing unique facets of leadership, balance, creativity, structure, adaptability, and service, offer more than just a superstition. They serve as reminders of your inherent strengths and the potential that lies within you. Remember, while these numbers may provide inspiration, the true catalyst for wealth is your daily actions, decisions, and unwavering belief in your ability to shape your destiny. Embrace the energy of your lucky numbers and let them guide you toward a future filled with abundance, balance, and prosperity. This comprehensive guide is designed to serve as both inspiration and a practical resource for Capricorns aiming to align with the cosmic forces of luck and wealth. Whether you're a dedicated follower of astrology or someone looking to add a bit of symbolic magic to your financial journey, these insights are here to encourage and empower you. Let the energy of these 6 numbers remind you that with focus, perseverance, and a balanced approach, the doors to wealth are well within your reach. Thanks for watching.